Hi everyone, it's Max, and I've got what I think is a pretty cool video for you all today. I have recently been in contact with TeslaEmblems.com, a company that produces high quality decals for various Tesla products, and they've actually sent me over some of their products to install and review on the channel with you today. Now, Tesla Emblems designs decals that range from conservative in appearance all the way to extremely bold. This gives Tesla owners the opportunity to personalize their Tesla emblem, their key card, side markers, door handles, and even their steering wheel with a range and variety of different options. One of the best parts of this product, beyond the staggering amount of choices you have to personalize your vehicle and accessories, is the simplicity of its design. Application can be done at home, it's not permanent, and you can easily remove these products or switch them out with a different design if you'd like to keep your vehicle fresh and interesting looking. This is a great feature compared to replacing the actual hardware on the car, which would typically be required if you wanted your emblem to look anything other than the chrome design it comes in. These decals are durable and made out of 3M material while still being removable without leaving any residue on the actual car. I personally was first drawn to this product because blacking out the remaining chrome on my Tesla Model 3 had appealed to me prior to even taking delivery of my vehicle. I always found that it was a little bit of an interesting design choice from Tesla to black out all other accent pieces in the car other than the Tesla turbine logo and the dual motor sign. This is nice because it gives you the opportunity to try out blacking that out without making the leap to actually swapping out hardware. So today I'm going to go over the products that Tesla Emblem sent me. I'm going to install them on camera and I'm going to give you my first impression. In the interest of full disclosure, Tesla Emblems did send me this product free of charge to review on this channel. However, I have no formal sponsorships with them, and they are not compensating me in any other way for this video, so I'll still be able to give my true and honest view of what this product's like and what it was like to install. So with that, let's get into what they actually sent me and take a look at what we got here. All right, well, this is a very nice personalized note from the Tesla Emblems crew. The first thing we have here is our Matte Black Tesla Emblem itself. I went for matte black, although it would be fun to go for a more bold look in the future, assuming we like the way everything looks. Now for the key card, since I went a little bit more conservative with the emblem itself, I ended up going for something a little more entertaining with the Peekaboo Elon design. I thought that was pretty funny, and it's just going to be a fun way for my wife and I to tell our Tesla cards apart, because if you own a Tesla, you know that you get two key cards to use and they are absolutely identical, even though one is associated with one person's profile and the other is associated with another driver's profile. This will provide an easy way for us to discern them apart so they don't get mixed up and you don't have to go out to the car and actually tap and test to see who's whose. So Tesla Emblems actually gives you 3 separate Tesla emblem decals to use when doing your install. That gives you the ability to actually make a mistake and still have 2 more to use, which is really nice. Hopefully I don't need all 3, but definitely possible. So since we're already sitting here, let's go ahead and try installing the key card. So the first thing we have to do is to clean our key card, which I'm going to use one of these sterile pads for. Go ahead and dry it off. Now let's see if we can get this perfectly aligned. And wow, that was surprisingly easy. And it is cut perfectly. So yeah, that's very cool and very simple. I thought I was going to be doing this on and off camera a ton. I was able to actually do this first try while recording the entire time. So yeah, there you have it. Got my little Peekaboo Elon. He'll be poking out from my wallet when I pull them out, which will be entertaining and a fun source of conversation. Very cool. All right, let's get to the much more interesting and probably the reason why most people are watching aspect of the video, the install of the decals themselves on the car. Now, when I went out to install these, I actually opted to not record audio in the process because I really wanted to focus. As you can see here, I cleaned the surface similar to the key card and then go right into laying the install. Now, different from the key card itself was the fact that this came with a transparent film on top of it, so once you remove the paper backing, you're able to lay and align the placement using that transparent film. As you can see, it took me multiple times to get this front one, but eventually I was able to get it lined up in the proper corners and get it attached. As for the back, it was a lot more of a smooth process. I actually used the V at the top of the turbine logo to line this up and get it on perfectly, almost the first time, and it was a much more seamless process. But overall, I have to say, very easy to do, a lot easier than I thought. Having the transparent surface to do the lineup made things a lot easier than I thought they would be. And as you can see, the result, very clean look. It does show the chrome around the outside, which I knew was going to be the case, but it is a little bit more than I thought would be visible. The kit did come with this little mini squeegee to get bubbles out, but wasn't really required for my install. And here you can see the final result of the blacked out front and how it looks as we walk around the car, comparing it to the other black finishes that the Tesla comes with. Well, there you have it. Those were actually very easy to install compared to what I initially thought. Now, first impression wise, I think they look very cool. I think it makes the car look different, and it definitely matches that black accent exterior that you see around the rest of the vehicle. It actually makes me want to have the dual motors, which are still chrome, also be in a similar matte black finish. The biggest drawback that I see to this is that, as you saw and as I pointed out with the design, when this goes on, you can still see chrome around the edge. If you did hardware replacement, you wouldn't have that factor in, so this is obviously an imperfect solution, but for me at least, it was very easy to do. Using the videos online, it was very easy to follow the steps that I needed to complete. Getting it lined up the first time was a little bit difficult, but then once I figured out the best places to line up the decal before smoothing it over, the back went very quickly and very seamlessly. So would I recommend this? Absolutely. If you are someone who is trying to change out the color or change up the style of your Tesla without fully committing to swapping out hardware, this is definitely something you should consider and use. Definitely visit TeslaEmblems.com. Try it out for yourself. It is an affordable solution to add a little bit of personality and color to your vehicle. Anyways, that's all I had to share for today. If you like this content and you want to see more, please like, comment, and subscribe to see more. If you're interested in any of these products, please visit TeslaEmblems.com. You can see everything they have to offer and everything that was featured on this channel today. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time.